Alright, so I don't know if I explained this. This is my RSX. My hood latch is clapped out. Yes, I did further fuck it up. This is my fault. This is my doing. I know this shit's ghetto. I'm not Chris Fix, okay? Don't crucify me. But I'm here to fix it. Replacing this mountain bracket or latch mounting bracket, or the hood latch port bracket, whatever the hell you want to call it, and the T part down here. Have all the replacements there. So I'm about to take off the bumper, and then I'm gonna start unscrewing. Alright, so now I got the bumper off, as y'all saw, and now I'm just observing what is needed to be done. So 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil. I don't know why I'm naming shit. I don't know if this is the actual sizes. It's a boat here, boat there, boat there. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know what the fuck this is doing. I'm not a scientist, guys. That's connected to that or some shit. I don't know. I'm gonna just make time lapses. Like, I'm not good at explaining shit. Fully disconnected. I think there's one more bolt at the bottom. What I'm about to do now is disconnect the sensor from the hood latch. So as you just saw, everything came out faster than expected. If I do it, this was not bolted in for whatever reason, which makes me think that I don't honestly need this part, which I did buy, but to make matters simpler, I think I'm just going to replace this top part. This shit was dead ass just there dangling, so I don't know, I might put that up on something and sell it. Because somebody might want to take the time to put this back, but as I just seen, this was just floating for my whole existence. To compare, same shit, same shit. Just this one is not fucking rusty as shit and weak and malleable. Like, look at this. You should not be able to just push metal like that. Eat that shit. I can't do that. Alright, so I'm here comparing parts. I got the new and the old. And the only difference I'm seeing is this one has a sensor and this one does not. That's another difference. I have to make something work, because that is a significant difference. Shit. Well, I'm gonna keep making this video, and if you're seeing it, something went right or something went wrong. But next up, I'm gonna connect the hood latch to the mounting bracket, and then I'm gonna route the cable through the mounting bracket, and then connect the little ball or whatever the hell in through this hole. The ball's on the other side of this hole, and the sleeve is coming through here. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna time lapse it, obviously. But I'm gonna get to work. I'm fucking excited. So as you just seen, I closed the hood, it latched, popped it, and reopened it. So I put the bracket back. I did not put the T on. Where's the old one? I did not put the T on. I left the T off because the T I already had was not attached, so whatever. Hood latch is installed. Way stronger. This shit was wiggling. But I'll show y'all. Alright. Trying to put y'all at an angle where y'all can see. Alright, has some technical difficulties. Alright, so this is the stage where you could still reopen the latch. I'm weak right now. Right. And if you close it all the way, now it's secondary latch. I can't even move it more. Got a flush line, yo. That shit always would be popping up. One would be a little more raised. Come over here to the hook cable that I also installed. Yo, and that's a good sound. Heard a little pop. And now you see it's popped open. Come here. I gotta reach far, so I'm not gonna lie. But it's working. Great success. This shit basura. Gotta put my car back together. I'm just excited. We got a hood latch and a new brace. Did not use the T because I'm kind of lazy. But yet I do need to figure out, I do need to state this. Where is it? As I stated earlier, my hood latch did not come with the connector. I don't know if that's a problem or not yet. I'll figure that out. But I need to tie this away so it's not getting into this fan, which is right here. You see that moving part? You don't want this shit to fly in there and go wing, ding, 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 ding. You know, that's no good. So tie that away, get that out of sight. Button up everything or anything that you can, or that I can, to make sure nothing is flopping. And I also have to re-ground this ground wire I have. I was grounded like there or some shit. Pretty sure this is to the aftermarket stereo that I have. So, gotta do what we gotta do to put that back. Hit that bitch with some anti-clapped out spray, you know what I mean? She's looking good. Get the new mount, new hood latch. It's not wobbly, got no play in it at all. It is short, but that doesn't matter. I still got the space to reach it. Got my ground wire back in place where it was. And I don't have the T-mount. I decided not to run it. I almost forgot. So now I'm back inside. The last thing I forgot to button up is the cover, because it's naked and you see all the wires. So I'm gonna do that real quick. It's as simple as getting that and this into the corresponding holes over there and snugging this into where it needs to be. About there. But yeah. Alright, so I finished and completed. Got the cover back on, got it looking good. And then I don't know if you can see it. somewhere down there is the hood latch, but you can still reach it. And it's not like relatively far. Like my hand's like right here, just like that. And like my shit used to always be in this stage, but now I can actually lock it. And I'll just have these for shits and giggles because it's not necessary anymore. But everything's all buttoned up, looking good, floor dirty as hell. But that's not what the video was about. Thanks for watching. See y'all another time, or next time, or whatever time.